For you, dear students, I would like to describe what's meant by nouns and what's meant by verbs. Let's talk about these words. By the way, one thing that must be clear here: how can nouns can be formed and how verbs can be formed. Basically, there are some suffixes that are commonly known in which nouns and verbs can be formed. Now, as you can see, there are some patterns like the suffix er and the suffix that's ion. These are what called some of the noun makers. Nouns can be formed or created in these ways. So now, whenever we make nouns, we need to add these suffixes. Suffixes are basically letters or, of course, words, or maybe a letter that are added to the base one. Basically, when you say action, the base one is this: act, which is a verb. Act now, right? Act now. So, and what's added here, as you can see, ion is added, and then we convert it into the noun action, right? Action is a noun. How can we know it? Well, one thing must be clear here. A noun is the one that answers these three questions. One is what. What, for example, take an action, right? What do I have to take? An action. When I say it answers the WH word, which is action, the WH word, it answers the WH word what. If it answers that, well, you can call it a noun. Of course, not only that, whom, accordingly, right? Accordingly. So, act now, which is a verb because it shows an action, right? Speaker. Who is the speaker, right? So I'm asking to identify. I would like to know the identity or the one that's who speaks, so, right? Which is a noun, speaker. I'm answering the WH question who when I say speaker, right? Who is the speaker? So it's answered that. And then speak, action, right? Speak now. Doer, which is a noun, the one who does, or the ones who do, which is verb, and then noun, right? Who is the doer? Reader.